What's up? It's the Coleman girls. Y'all see this unicorn here? Her name is Sparkles, and what she came with is her brush to brush her hair and to this pink thing so you can get the slime out of her, and her unicorn food, and this bottle that looked like it came from Starbucks, but it's not from Starbucks, and unicorn shimmer and unicorn sparkles and a cup where we get to pour in this cup and mix it with the shimmer so she can drink it, and her diaper and her shirt is right here. She got it on, and she got tattoos on her arm, and she's just gonna be watching. Let's get started opening up our Poopsie Slime surprise. There's a lot of stuff right here. It's unicorn magic and a magic spoon and a surprise and unicorn food. Now let's get started opening up the big one. Okay. Okay, here's what they say that what you can get from the this Poopsie surprise. And let's see. There's a lot of ones that we can maybe get. A lot of ones. Now let's see. First, maybe open this one. First, I'm going to open this little package. What's inside? A little cup. Now let's see what's in this one. It's a little cup. It's a doody. And on front, this looks like it could be a McDonald's looking kind of cup. Now let's see what we got in here. Oh, let's see what we got for our Poopsie surprise. She was right. It was a doody because it do look like poop. Now let's see what this is. Wow, this looks like a shovel, like right here. And it got a little unicorn on top to hold it, and you. Now let's see what we got right here. What's this one? Ooh, a little horn. I wonder what this is. it's a surprise sniff. Now I'm gonna see what it smells like. I need help from my mom, and now I'm back. Now let's see what it smells like. It smells like very good cherries, and now let's mix the slime. First, I'm gonna add the water. Now add the unicorn food. Now I'm gonna close it and shake it up. Whoopsies. So some of it spilled out, and we had to clean it up. So here, but we already had the sink. So here here's some of it, though. You have to wait for 10 seconds to have this to have it have slime. So here's some of it, and it's yellow. Now it's my turn to see what I got. So it says unroll here. So now I'm gonna unroll it. Now look, so it says here go the unicorn food, and here go the unicorn mouse jig, and the unicorn scent, and the unicorn spoon. So we're going to see what's now inside of here. So here's the things, and here is the same thing, and let's see what the cup is, what color it is. So the color is pink. This is my favorite color. Okay, now let's see what this is. It's this one. Okay, now let's see what the cup is. Look. It's a Poopsie all day cup. Okay, now let's see what the spoon is. I mean the Okay. See what it smells like. Smells like strawberry and watermelon a little bit. And then we're gonna open the spoon, the magic spoon. Yes, the magic spoon. The same one. And it's the ruby dips. It's the ruby dips. Wow. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to make our slime now. So get it started. Okay, so now we're going to add the water into it. And then we're going to add the unicorn if it can stand up, but can't have that. Okay, now let's open this. Fake it open. Okay, got it open. Let's pour it in there. If y'all can see it, yeah, it looks like the color pink. And we're gonna put the top on tight. Okay, so let's make sure it's tight so it don't fall out. So now we're gonna shake. So I shook it up already and it turned into slime. So let's see. So I'm gonna add this unicorn magic when I put it on the table. Let's see how it's gonna go. Let's use the spoon so we can get all of it out. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna add the magic, the unicorn magic. It's turning purple and it kind of reminds me of gum or something. Like, comment, and subscribe down below.